Now, BeamStack meeting. It is related to GS Paper 2, International Relation. Here, recently, the 17th BeamStack ministerial meeting was held. That was chaired by Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has chaired the BeamStack meeting. And outcome of the meeting is basically the text of BeamStack Charter has finalized, approved the initiatives to create a connectivity master plan linking countries in South and Southeast Asia. A legal framework needs to be finalized regarding the BeamStack Coastal Shipping Agreement and the Motor Vehicle Agreement. India basically urged the speedy conclusion of the agreement, allowing motor vehicles to play via member countries and a robust linkage with an essential prerequisite for economic integration of region with smooth cross-border involvement of people and goods. Now, issues over crisis in Myanmar. So, what are the issues basically? So, the Rohingya refugee crisis that ruptured Myanmar Bangladesh relations made it difficult to achieve cohesion among members. BeamStack is moving towards the operationalizing the common code of conduct in dealing with criminal matter. In this regard, basically, a BeamStack convention on mutual legal assistance in criminal matters was also endorsed. What about the BeamStack? So, the Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral and Economic Cooperation. Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral, Technical and Economic Cooperation. This is the full form of that BeamStack. I'll repeat it again, that is Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral, Technical and Economic Cooperation. It includes India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Nepal, Bhutan. So what all are the countries that involved here? They are basically 7 countries are the part of the BeamStack. Like BeamStack contains 7 digits and similarly it contains 7 countries. So the group was formed basically in 1990s but remained dormant for many years till it was revived a few years ago as an alternative to the South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation. It is basically an alternative to SAARC. Now, SAARC, despite having a potential, has not been able to move forward due to the friction between India and Pakistan. So, some of the projects are not being able to accomplish. So, in 2016, India has invited leaders of the BeamStack grouping for an extended session of the BRICS Leaders Summit. In 2016, what has happened that India has invited the leaders of the BeamStack group for an extended session of the BRICS Leaders Summit. Now in 2019, India has invited leaders of the group in swearing ceremony to underline the commitment of the grouping. Now BeamStack has emerged a sub-regional alternative to ensure the growing strategy and economic interest for its members and international community in the Bay of Bengal region.